Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Fluent Mic English podcast.
Hello, we are so happy you're listening today.
My name is Sam.
And my name is Kate.
This podcast is for English learners. We speak slowly and clearly to help you understand.
Yes, and today we have a very useful topic. We're going to learn how to answer the question, "Tell me about yourself."
This is a very common question. You might hear it at a job interview.
Or when you meet a new person at a party or at school.
Knowing how to answer this question is very important. It can help you feel more confident.
So, let's learn together. Are you ready? Let's begin.
First, we will start with the easy parts. Your name.
There are two simple ways to say your name. First, you can say, "My name is."
For example, I would say, "My name is Sam."
And I would say, "My name is Kate." Can you say that? My name is.
The second way is also very simple. You can say, "I am."
So I can say, "I am Kate."
And I can say, "I am Sam."
Both ways are perfect. You can choose the one you like.
Now, let's talk about where you are from, your country or your city.
To do this, you can say, "I am from," and then say the place.
For example, I am from Spain or I am from Mexico.
Or, "I am from Vietnam." You say your country.
I am from the United States.
I am from Canada.
It's very simple. Let's practice the first two parts together.
Hello, my name is Kate. I am from Canada.
Hello, I am Sam. I am from the United States.
Now it is your turn to practice. Say your name and your country.
Okay, great job, everyone. Now let's move on to the next part.
The next part is about your job. What do you do every day?
If you have a job, you can say, "I am a," and then the name of your job.
For example, I am a teacher.
Or, "I am a doctor."
Or maybe I am a writer?
If your job starts with a vowel sound like A, E, I, O, U, you say an.
That's a great point, Sam. For example, I am an engineer.
I am an artist.
What about us, Sam? What is our job?
We are podcast hosts, so I can say, "I am a podcast host."
And I can say, "I am a podcast host too."
But what if you don't have a job? What if you are in school?
That's a very common situation for many of our listeners. If you go to school, you can say, "I am a student."
It is that easy. I am a student.
Yes, and people will understand.
So, let's add this to our introduction.
Hello, my name is Kate. I am from Canada. I am a podcast host.
Hello, I am Sam. I am from the United States. I am a podcast host.
Now you try. Add your job or say that you are a student.
Okay, this is going very well. We have name, country, and job.
Now for the final part. This part makes your introduction more personal.
We are talking about your hobbies. Hobbies are the activities you enjoy in your free time.
Sharing your hobbies is a good way to make friends. People can see what you like.
The easiest way to talk about your hobbies is to use the phrase I like.
After I like, you can add a verb with ing. For example, I like reading.
Or I like swimming.
Or I like listening to music.
These are all great hobbies. What do you like to do, Kate?
Well, I like watching movies, and I also like cooking food from different countries.
That sounds delicious.
What about you, Sam? What are your hobbies?
I like playing the guitar, and I like hiking in the mountains.
Hiking is great exercise. See? Now we know more about each other.
Another useful phrase is in my free time.
In my free time, I watch movies.
Or in my free time, I play the guitar.
It has the same meaning as I like. You can choose which one you want to use.
So, listeners, think about your hobbies. What do you enjoy?
Okay, we have learned all the pieces to introduce ourselves.
Now, the fun part. Let's put everything together in one full introduction.
We will give our examples one more time. Please listen carefully. Sam, would you like to go first?
Hello, my name is Sam. I am from the United States. I am a podcast host. In my free time, I like playing the guitar and hiking.
Wonderful, Sam. That was very clear and gave a lot of good information.
Thank you. Now let's hear your introduction, Kate.
Hello, I am Kate. I am from Canada. I work as a podcast host. I like watching movies and cooking.
Excellent. See how we both gave a complete picture about ourselves in just a few simple sentences?
Exactly. Now it is your turn to build your introduction. Take all the parts we learned.
Let's review them one last time.
My name is... I am
from...
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.
a, or I am an, or I am a student.
And for your hobbies, I like, or in my free time, I...
Remember, the most important thing is to practice.
You can practice in front of a mirror, or you can record your voice.
The more you say it, the more natural it will feel. You can do it.
And that is all the time we have for today's episode.
We hope you learned a lot and feel more ready to tell people about yourself.
thank you so much for joining us on the Fluent Mic English podcast.
We will be back next week with a new topic to help you with your English.
Until then, keep practicing. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.